the heart of Moscow, all the way at the far end of VDKH, is a place where I made my second best animal friend besides my birthday girl, Sophie. She turned 4 this year, so everyone go wish her a happy birthday in the comments. And no, it was no field mouse or stray dog, it was at the Moskvarium, Moscow's premier oceanarium and water show. Originally planned as part of the renovations to VDKH in the 90s, because during Perestroika, the park essentially became a rundown trash heap, so they decided to renovate the whole area, and in 2015 they opened the 53,000 square meter facility for the first time. The pavilion has killer whale and dolphin shows, which we didn't see for blackfish reasons. But the rest of the park has lots of species of animals that I've never even seen in either American or Japanese aquariums. Wow, up top. They even have like beluga whales, Baikal seals, a bunch of different types of sharks and stingrays, octopuses, and even crocodiles. And the cool thing, at least for me, was they have a unique species aquarium just for Eurasia. And you're not gonna see that probably anywhere else in the world. Inside the lovely square, there are 80 aquariums. That's right, 80 separate aquariums, each with its own unique biomes of over 12,000 swimmy little buddies noodling around in there. But beyond all the hand pools and restaurants, the highlights, at least for us, was meeting our newest buddy. Buddy, that's actually what I called him, was Buddy. This little guy followed our hands and hung out with us. He actually recognized us when we'd walk around. He would leave other people and come over to us for some reason. And funnily enough, my friend actually went back a few months after this was filmed with her family, and Buddy was still there and still swam right over to her. So if you end up going to Moscow, if you end up at the Moskvarium, and you happen to see our little buddy, make sure you say hi to him for me. I miss that little guy. This is fish. Ooh, ooh, retreat, retreat. Здравствуй, Витя. Меня зовут Чет. Как тебя зовут?
Меня зовут